Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground.
Hello, Thomas.
With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there a live today?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is there?
Hello, Thomas.
Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
Very good. Good sales on gold today.
Yes.
Hello, Thomas. Hi, everyone.
Hello, Kasim. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Very nice trades in the morning.
Thank
I
you very
catch up
much, sir.
later.
EJ wasn't that nice, I have to admit. That was quite ugly.
That was a shitty. But you done your job in gold.
Yeah, that gold pretty much paid for the bills today. Speaking of which, who took some profit?
Yeah, boy.
Mikey, do you want to listen Al Habibi?
I took a L on NASDAQ.
Same.
Hey, Thomas. Sorry, I'm late again.
So yeah, gold today was absolutely fantastic. Now currently struggling with bloody NASDAQ. So I think when we have the market open, or maybe it's June who's going to be right, that the market isn't diving in or eating into the story that Nvidia is going to release a powerful new chip. So I'm about a few pips away to get closed out, but I'm not going to fiddle with the stop loss. That's one of the worst things you can do, that, you know, when the market is going down. If you decide to set the stop loss, let it hit. Unless if you have, you know, more room to widen the stop loss, but this position is calculated, so I'm not going to move it. Gold retraced back 50% since the morning drop, but still 88 pip profit since the morning. Very nice profits as always. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have a look what we have for today in the economic calendar. Let's reduce the music a bit. You can see that gold very nicely retraced back to the daily pivot. Now the weekly pivot is a bit further away at 2165. So there's still a chance that it's going to just tickle and then drop. What I'm interested in today to see if there are any other opportunities. And given that it's Tuesday, usually the economic calendar is quite dry, but today we have something called building permits and housing starts in 17 minutes. So we have 17 minutes to analyze this set of data. Can we do it?
Yeah, boy.
Who's going to do it?
Sal.
Where? TP? Stop loss?
Now. Stop loss.
All of the above.
Stop loss 3,000. Take profit 2,153.
Full margin or not?
No.
No, not today. Not today. We have Fed interest rate decision tomorrow and press conference. Usually the day before, the market goes the opposite direction. So we could very much see a breakout from this bull flag. It's definitely on the table. So we can't ignore the fact that we are still in a bullish market phase or bullish period. And look how nice is that bull flag. You have the pole, you have the flag. If it breaks out and if it's a valid bull flag, then we're going to see 2240, 2250, which is scary. But gold had just created a new all-time highs this year. So I'm just going to wait for the data. If you guys want to analyze the data, feel free to do so, and I can jump into, correct or just add some input. But if you want to try your own, on your own, I'm happy to help. No one? Well, that's going to be a boring day.
Let me pull it up and I will try.
There you go. Finally, a man. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, you should be able to hear me now?
Yep.
Yes,
clear.
okay. Looking at building permits. We're looking at the February one, which is forecasted to be 1.5 million or 1.5 billion. Forecast is higher than the previous. And before that, we did have a revision in February, which was higher than the one before. So I would say higher numbers, better for currency, deflationary? No? Inflationary?
Carry on.
Like
Higher building. Sorry.
let me
Higher building permits shows there's more building, there's more spending, more construction going on, which is going to be inflationary because there's more economic activity.
yes, thanks.
Do you agree, Bob?
Yes, I do. Like I said before, I just get mixed up with the inflationary and deflationary, those terms, so
Well, it's
I
alright.
just get the two always messed up. The housing starts is also higher. Oh, messed up the screen.
Yeah, that's correct.
Forecast is 1.43, previous is 1.33, so we are expecting it to be an inflationary number. We are looking for significantly higher in order to trade bearish for gold.
Exactly. Well done. You see, it wasn't difficult. Just need to get
Uh,
used to it.
Yeah, it's not that
S-
difficult. It's just that I get those two terms messed up, which,
Trust
yeah.
me, when you lose enough money, you're going to learn it by heart. There's the way to go. So, yeah, absolutely correct. Bob, thank you so much for volunteering. Great analysis. Couldn't said it better, so very good. Basically, today we have building permits and housing starts. Building permits, I think the housing starts should be main focus, because, you know, getting a permit is one thing, and starting a construction with hard cash, that's a different thing. So I think housing starts is going to be more important. But if you look at the forecast, both numbers are expected to be greater. And as Brad and Bob said, higher building numbers and higher home starts are going to be inflationary, because, you know, the more money circulating in the economy. And construction is one of the blood vessels of an economy. When it stops, everything else stops. Based on that, if the numbers are correct, or if the forecast is correct, then we are going to see further selling pressure on gold. On the other hand, if the data today, permits and housing starts, come out a little weaker than the forecast, or even the previous one, very important, that would be significant, then yeah, the bull flag is going to be breaking out, and you know, it could reach a new all-time high. Who knows? But maybe today's data isn't that strong, but who knows? Market sentiment does silly things from time to time, so you never know when the slap is coming. I'm on the sell side. We were selling gold this morning, and it was running in 140 pips. Yeah, somewhere around 144 pips.
Good afternoon, Habibi.
Hello, Kai. So I'm still sitting in some of the sales. Of course, took most of the profits, because that's what you know, that's what we do at the Alpha Academy. We just take profits every day. In the morning, when we have the morning briefing, we take profit. Then we have a coffee, then take profit. It's just a cycle of life.
I love to hear it.
But if you guys looking for buy or sell, I would say here's a sell. And I'm placing one by myself with a wide enough stop loss. I need to highlight that these positions are runners, but I entered into another sell just for you, just for the show, just for YouTube. NASDAQ, that little cunt. Let me just show you something. Let's have a look on Trading View. And the gold
How's the
sells.
language? The language. Whoa. You're angry, Thomas. You're angry.
Yeah. I am. I'm full of anger. I hate. NASDAQ was going very nice. On the chart, it hit stop loss already, so that's into the bin. So if you have a look on NASDAQ, we're still maintaining the bullish market structure. Today, some very promising story came out about Nvidia and how they going to come out to the market with a new product. Apparently the most powerful chip you ever saw. So based on this story, I entered into buys on NASDAQ, but currently it's selling off. It was going nice, some profit, but now it's selling off. So I think when the market opens, that's when we're going to could possibly see some move to the upside. Oops.
Is that whole Nvidia story, Thomas? Like, I appreciate how strong that is, and I appreciate what that means for the wider NASDAQ index. But, you know, in terms of, something more macro? Is there anything else contributing to a NASDAQ positive move, do you think, or are we really just thinking about that NASDAQ story?
You mean the Nvidia story?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, the Nvidia chip story. Is there anything else supporting that for NASDAQ, or is it just that mainly?
I entered into a buy. That could push the market. No, I'm just kidding.
I mean, at that point, you've got to see really who has most sort of what's the word, influence on the stock. And Nvidia's like one of the biggest along the lines of like Apple and that really. So I think that kind of like counters everything, to be honest, in my opinion.
I did put 2 links in the resources tab, I think, where you can see the biggest stocks of the NASDAQ and the US 30.
Sorry, say that.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, Brad, what were you going to say?
No, I was just going to say, see that 4-hour chart that Thomas has got up there for that NASDAQ US 100? See the size of that candle? See that bearish candle? Like that's you've got to wait a little while for something to look more positive, I think, on that. But see, and then on daily, like that'll stop out for sure, as he said earlier.
Yeah.
I think it could also just be that it was a bit too soon, maybe, you know?
It was, yeah, it could be, because we saw how many times when the market was going in one direction, New York opened, and boom, everything has changed.
Yeah.
So, silly market today.
Yeah. It could just be easy liquidation on early buyers, simple as that.
You talking about me?
No, Tamas.
Miraz Lama said, buy the rumors, sell the news. Isn't it buy the rumors, sell the fact? Buy the rumor, sell the gossip.
Don't confuse everyone.
God, alright, I'm gonna close down NASDAQ. Bye, Nas.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And I'm going to write to the team that NASDAQ today caused a whopping
£1,000.
£867 and 84 pennies.
Oh, that's nothing. That's why we have stop loss.
Mate, £840 is nothing.
It's alright, you'll make it back, Tamas. It's alright.
Yeah, that's $10. But £800 is a lot.
No, of course it is. It is quite a lot. But you'll make it back.
No, you sound like a gambler, Kai. That's what gamblers say when they're on the roulette wheel.
Jack for me, Brad.
Thomas, just a quick question. If you hover on your stop loss markers there on that left chart, that gold chart, does it tell you what the loss is on that stop loss level on MT5? If you hover over the red lines?
Yes, but you can't see. I don't think. Can you see it?
No, I can't see it.
But I can see it. Yeah. So if I hover
okay.
over it, there's a beige or a soft eggshell yellow.
Yep. Understood.
And it tells me that what is the maximum loss if it hits.
Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Adrian.
How you doing?
Habibi, come
My
to Dubai.
friend,
Ricardo, brother.
Brother.
Making money, Tamas, huh? A
This
lot
morning. No.
Oof.
All right. Not bad.
Yes.
Just entered into a sell on gold.
I
Another
was
one.
in a buy, and I'm switching to a sell now. Closing a little bit of loss, but yes, we'll see. How is the morning drink? You feeling good?
Mate, my life has changed. And sorry to interrupt, I'm going to lock in some profits before the news. So I have a position of running 1,500. I'm going to close majority of that. I have another one selling from 21.79. I'm going to leave that one. But majority is closed now. These are all runners. And I'm very disappointed on NASDAQ. That was a very nice story. Everything lined up perfectly. But sometimes, you know, it just doesn't work out. Hassan Dad is asking, sir, what are you thinking about gold? Oh, I'm in love with it. Absolutely love it. I think about it every day. And as you can see on the chart, we're selling from 2180. So from the previous all-time high. We have 36 seconds until the data release. So let's get back to our FAV trading view and economic calendar. We have 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. Quite deflation. Yeah, quite inflationary, as even higher than the forecast. So nice inflationary numbers, healthy numbers. Spring is coming. You know, this is where all the building project starts, renovations. Yeah, look at the housing starts month on month. Absolutely huge. Look at that. Permits. Yeah, very good inflation numbers. Let's see how the market is going to react. So far, it's there's no reaction at all. NASDAQ. NASDAQ is going to pump today.
We had it before right now.
Yeah, it's going to be a quiet day. Tomorrow is Fed press conference.
Just because that NASDAQ trade didn't work out today doesn't mean we've missed the entire story. Like, the facts haven't changed, right?
No. In fact, there's more information will come out, most likely. But sometimes the market is only reacting the way it should react when New York is opening. And sometimes it's the opposite. It's all manipulated, guys. All rigged.
Yeah.
So it's not me. It's the market.
There is not a lot of movement, really.
The Canadian dollar shoot out because of the data was very deflationary in Canada.
Yeah. GBP CAD buys are beautiful right now.
I try to trade Canadian dollar, but I don't like it.
I really like it, to be fair. Why don't you like it? Just how it moves and the characteristics, or?
But no. Don't know.
Just don't feel it.
No. I tried once Hungarian forint and Mexican peso. God, that was a bad decision.
Well, by the way, the housing starts was revised from last time.
By
The housing starts month on month is 12.3%, and it was 14.8 last month. And the housing starts just in February was, let me see, revised to 1.374, and it was 1.331.
Mm.
So just revised upwards.
Anyway, gold is selling very nicely, and we're already in 36 profit since we started the stream from the last position for now, but it can change in any minute, as we know.
Oh, 20 pips.
What's the track at the background? It's called Bossa Nova. It's a style. Or a genre in it. Genre.
Yeah, genre. It's a genre.
Genre.
That's how an American would say it.
How would the British say?
Genre.
Genre.
Just a genre. Yeah.
No, the genre, yeah, genre.
Genre. Oh my god, there was I'm just gonna say a pair of girls in a restaurant ordering in an Italian restaurant the sausage pappardelle, and they were just they tried to look snob and posh. So the girl turns to the waiter, "Oh, and can I have the sausage pappardelle?" I was like, what the fuck? The sausage.
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 Oh, God.
Sausage.
Check gold.
Why is gold moving up? No, it's not looking
I can see the Bibby's blue numbers are turning red.
It's only one number, just to bring it to your attention. Only one. all the rest is blue, brother. There's no need to be violent.
Violent words.
I really want to go long on NASDAQ again. Is it a bad decision?
No. I'm thinking the same. I want to do the same.
By the way, he just made the correction 0.786 on NASDAQ. And we have a good reaction in this area.
Maybe wait for a close and then...
Fuck it.
I don't know about NASDAQ, but I feel like the market's just going to want to fucking move sideways until tomorrow, to be honest, until the news.
I just entered into a NASDAQ long.
Yeah, good move. Good move.
We ain't weak. We're going to fight till the end.
One more try.
Just one more.
Just one more.
How we doing, Charles? You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good. I've been quiet because the funded trader has been going through some shiznay, but they're coming out on top. I got transferred into Voyage Markets, which is a new system for trading, and it sucked ass at the beginning.
Did the funded trader went down on the rabbit hole of pop firms getting kicked out from MetaTrader?
Yes, but they've done pretty well coming through it, and they've got C Trader and
Most likely
Voyage
they prepared
Markets.
already.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but
markets is for the US customers, and then C Trader is for anybody else. So now I have to wait to be transferred to C Trader, but I've passed phase 1 even through this like turmoil.
bullshit going on. Yeah.
So that's good. And then I've only got to make 5% on the next phase. So
No, that's all. Yeah, I wish you the best for that, bro. But yeah, I've had bad things with the funded trader, man. But the same literal stuff that you're saying. But then at the same time, you got to like focus on why they got removed from MetaQuotes as well, because there's a lot of funded prop firms that are still with MetaQuotes, right? There's so many Alpha Capital, Five.
I think there's
Man,
3 or 4 major ones.
zero
Yeah.
complaints about the funded trader. They give me back 25 account
Yeah.
plus 5k account.
Mm.
Chat super supportive, man.
They
Even-
give
Zero
you
complaints, man. Zero complaints. They pay me by deal. Zero complaints,
yeah.
man.
No, definitely.
They don't pay me more because I don't make money. But
Yeah.
but that's, man, zero complaints. I moved my C trader in 4 days, man. Just
Yeah.
writing on the chat support of the website. Don't trying to get FOMO on the Discord. Don't get shit on Discord. And man, 3 days, all my 3 accounts are moved, man.
That's
No
good. Yeah.
complaints, no
I'm just
complaints,
waiting
man.
to
The guys
come off.
start to come pissing off the Discord chat and the mods, man. You
It's
keep
funny,
it to the
right?
last, man. If you
It's
start
funny.
like this, you are the last one. Be
Sylvia,
nice.
Sylvia, yes, I entered gold. When did you ask? You should ask me a minute ago. I entered the last position like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, there's a short position, another short on gold, but it's a very thin market today. Even the inflation data didn't move. So, you know, maybe if you don't have to, I would say don't enter, because we're going to have FOMC tomorrow. It's going to be fun.
very fun. Ricardo, you did say C Trader was really good as well, didn't you? You mentioned that. Might want to try it out.
Love it, brother. Love it. Of course, MT5, it's, you know, but C trader, love it. Love it. Love it.
I think Dominion Markets uses C Trader also.
Yeah,
Who's
Dominion Markets. Yeah, Dominion Markets and Raja, they love C Trader. They run
But
a lot of sessions.
they've got their own programming into it, so it's a little bit better if you go directly through them.
It's good. When you see Raja's streams and him showing C Trader stuff, it is light years ahead of MT5 and MT4.
Roberta's bulk is a C trader after 3 days of use. It's not bad. Well, it's just like, you know, any relationship. You get used to it.
You have the honeymoon phase.
Yeah.
Then after 6 months, it'll go.
No,
to
it's
shit.
more like it's when you're going bad with a really fat girl. You get used to it. Just, you know.
You just put up with it.
It remains
Job.
heavy, but it just gets lighter.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They're like the old folks. Well, you know, the job needs to be done, so we just do it. Stop complaining and whining. Just do the job.
Anyone with Equity Edge here, by the way? Anyone heard of it? Equity Edge?
No.
No?
Nah.
I've got a 10k account with them, right? They're doing a offer and a discount. It's $30 for a 10k account.
Oh, I did see that. Yeah. Just full margin every time. And if you
Yeah,
fail,
literally.
then-
No, you can only get 2 accounts at the same time. I'm gonna buy another one now just so I have it there, innit? You can't really what's that? 23 GBP.
And
Any day.
you can use that one to just suppress.
Yeah, literally.
FOMO.
And you can trade. Yeah, literally. And you
No
can
rules.
trade through news as well, as long as you trade longer than 2 minutes. Can't complain.
Can you hold trades over the weekend?
You can, but there's obviously swap fees, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you're positive swap, just put something on and let it ride for 4 days and take the few $100.
Yeah, if that's part of your plan, of course you can do that. Yeah, they're really good. They've got a Discord, everything.
Yeah, even my sister's got a Discord. Don't worry about that.
No, I mean like their whole setup and their dashboard on their website, etc.
Mm. Slow, very slow.
Painful day. I mean,
Not for
morning
you.
was good. Morning was good.
You're chilling.
Oh, no, God. Why you do that?
Morning was chilling. You was up at like 4 a.m.
Yeah, I woke up to that silly Bank of Japan rate decision, but that was just honestly, I regret it.
I woke up at 5 and was like, yeah, it's annoying trading JPY pairs because obviously I don't want to wake up and feel tired for the rest of the day, so just deal with it.
Next week?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
I don't know why.
Big to funny, yeah.
What are you laughing at?
Someone, Brad said his sister's got a Discord, and someone asked what it was.
It was just a joke. It was just a joke. Anyone can set up a Discord.
Someone's thirsty.
On the briefing this morning when Thomas was talking about the analysis that he sent out earlier, I'm just looking back through the FX analysis, and his first post, the first chart he sent out was at 3 a.m. my time. Like, I've got, I appreciate the markets and all that stuff, but there's no way I'm around
No, I
at
woke
3
up.
a.m.
We have a 16 months old, baby. Well,
yeah,
it's
you're
not a
always
baby
awake,
anymore.
probably.
And,
Right,
that. The bank. I woke up in the middle of the evening, and I was like, I'm gonna have a look on the Bank of Japan, or when are they going to release the interest rate decision? And then as soon as I opened the charts, I was like, fuck.
They were super late.
I screwed up.
weren't
Yeah, they're always late. So I opened the chart, and there was, at that point, I knew I'm not going to sleep.
Yeah.
Depends how much you want it, Brad.
Well, yeah. There's two sides to that sword, isn't there?
All right, well, I'm going to call it there. Everyone have a good rest of their afternoon, yeah? Cheers, Thomas. Thank you.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
You going?
See you, man.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a couple of things to do, Thomas.
Is it more
And the
important than
market.
us? Is it more important than us?
It's more important than this shitty market movement today.
Hey, Kai, where are you? Are you in London?
No, brother, I'm from the East Midlands of England.
Jeez.
Are you going to be buying loads of houses there?
Nah, I'm getting out of here as soon as I can, Charles.
Go to Bristol.
No, I mean the country, lad.
Oh, fair play.
What you thinking of Ireland?
Petersburg is a good place, isn't it?
Say that again.
Petersburg is a good place, isn't it?
Where?
Petersburg.
Peterborough.
Yeah. That's literally down the road from me. Yeah,
The
Peterborough.
only time I've ever been there is to get my passport renewed.
I'm
That's
from
right.
Leicester, so it's literally a 45-minute drive.
Go to Lewisham. It's a wonderful place. Or Woolwich. In
Woolwich?
London. Yeah, Woolwich.
No.
That's where you worked, right?
No. Woolwich. Oh, God, no. But Lewisham is even... oh, God, that is a trash place.
Yeah, no. I'm out of this country as soon as I can. And I'm out of this Discord. See you later. Zoom. See you later. See you later, lad.
See you never. What's the most lots you've ever used in one trade, Thomas?
It was 100 lots by accident.
Boy. Bloody hell.
I hope you made money then.
No, he closed it immediately. I saw this trade.
Yeah,
It was more than once. It was more than
one-time
once.
mistake.
But I think everyone does the same mistake from time
Yes.
to time. You know, when you it's the worst
Can you
thing.
do it on the GBP JPY long?
The whole chat is going nuts. What? 100 lots.
The worst thing is when I worked in when I started in the cash equities desk and EMS6 in Bloomberg, where we had to enter the specifications of the trade, where you fill out the ticket. And fat finger is a common mistake. I mean, God, that's why last year you had the market crash, or 2 years ago, last year. And the guy just entered an extra zero. Fat finger. Yeah, it is the worst when you screw up something, and you know it's not hundreds of thousands. It's like sometimes millions of pounds or dollars worth of shares. Yeah, no. I mean, it's cash equities. It's not leverage trading.
Oh, okay.
But if you screw up, that's why we always had either the 4i concept or methodology, like me and my colleague checked each other's tickets, or you have to be really responsible because, you know, it can cost your job.
Yeah.
And you get shouted at a lot if you do something bad or a mistake.
Thomas, why do those mistakes never go in your favor?
Say it again, sorry.
Why do those mistakes never go in your favor? Excuse me.
Why?
You know, when you put in the wrong amount. When you put in the wrong amount of lots.
God knows.
Yeah.
I think it's the same when you drop the buttered bread. It always
The toast,
lands
yeah,
on the,
on the
or, you know, the
butter
toasty on the butter side. Then you can't eat it because, you know, it's
hairy.
Yeah.
How you doing, Dorothy?
I'm all right. Got a bit of a chest issue at the moment, but I'm a bit quiet.
We're sliding into the Easter holidays,
Yeah.
and then April is going to be relatively busy, and then May is going to be super quiet. As the saying goes, sell in May and go away. In the hedge fund, in the asset management industry, sell in May and go away. Down the Hamptons or Ibiza. Ibiza.
Mykonos.
Mykonos. Oh, no, Mykonos. That's the one, Sausage.
Sausage.
Oh, Angelo is long on gold. Damn. The kid is always carrying me when he, you know, enters
But
into
his
trade.
first trade was stop loss.
It happens with the best.
Yes.
His computer was broken, so maybe it's still broken. Who knows? Angelo!
And hello.
Oh man, God fucked me today.
Why? We sold 140 pips.
Yes, I missed the sell in the morning because I was busy. Yes, and then I moved from my from my buy into a sell, and closed the buy in a little bit of loss.
And go on to sell.
My sell is in stop loss.
And that was bye-bye.
Yes, and that's part of the game.
I hate that when that happens.
A classic, a true classic. I hate it when I make things like this. I take action like this.
You should make a rule to only trade twice. Only two
Yes,
trades.
yes. This is completely nuts. but okay. Tomorrow again, I will go full margin.
Yeah. Right.
Make it back in like 1 pip.
Yes. 20 lots.
Take 1 pip, yeah, and you're gone.
And take 1 hit, and the account is done.
BBFX 2024 is asking, Tomasz, why was Japanese yen news bad for the yen? Because if dollar rates go up, it's good for them. I learned it late as well, that it's because the carry trade. And every single week, you know, guys, how many times I talk about the carry trade. Traders, you know, capital market participants borrow in Japanese yen and invest in a high yielding asset such as US government bond. And I completely forgot this when I was trading Japanese yen, that because the Japanese Bank of Japan increased interest rate by tiny amount, 0.1%, and the US is going to decrease the interest rate, so the scissor is closing in, so the opportunity for yield is getting smaller and smaller day by day, week by week, and therefore they're going to unwind the carry trade positions, which means that they're going to sell the yen. So unfortunately, yeah, that was not convenient.
Don't we have someone with heavy lots to push the sell button?
How are you doing, Yoni?
I'm very tired. Long night.
Naughty.
All the stuff here is, all the stuff here is very complicated. Still in the army.
Well, peeps, I think I will also be going, as the market isn't doing much. Good luck further.
Oh, guys, tell me how you do this video image you're doing there.
You
It's
can
so
discuss
fun.
in private. I'm gonna call it today as well because this is absolutely boring. I'm gonna hold the sell on gold and long on NASDAQ. 35 minutes is when New York opens. Hopefully that's going to bring us some volume. So that's it for today, guys. We made amazing money this morning. Hopefully it's going to continue in the afternoon. Make the money, take the money. Tomorrow, FOMC meeting minutes. I will send a message and analysis for you guys in the members Discord channel. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
See you tomorrow morning.
No, tomorrow morning.
No?
No, tomorrow is FOMC. So
lunchtime.
yeah, no. I will think it through, but most likely there's no point to trade throughout the day.
Well, I was never mind.
I don't mind.
Well, I was in the morning briefing. We're gonna see then.
Let me think it through. We may have a morning briefing tomorrow.
Okay.
See you later.
You can
alligator.
sleep longer tomorrow because you was
Have a
so
good
early
day.
up today.
Thank you.
You
Thank
deserve that. You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
See ya.
Bye. So, guys, what can I say? Very quiet day, but for this occasion, we made some good profit today. Check out the discount code in the YouTube chat. And mind games. Tomasz, have you ever thought about quitting Forex? I think about every single day, but I don't trade that many currencies. I trade mostly gold, but I will do it till the end of my life. Thank you so much, guys. Very quiet day. Make the money, take the money. See you Monday. Bye-bye.